a regular expression. So I can match all the vowels and then call one function to count them all up, give me the frequencies. And that works for pretty much any size sequence. There are also a lot of features in Clojure, and therefore ClojureScript, that seem pretty small on the surface. We don't think much about them when we're writing Clojure programs, but if you're used to JavaScript and writing JavaScript programs, a lot of these are really convenient. And one of those is multi-arity functions. Now remember, Clojure is dynamically typed, so we cannot, at least in the direct way, we cannot have we cannot have the same function overloaded on different types of arguments. There are actually mechanisms to do that, but it's not the default. But we can overload functions on arity, on the number of arguments that they take. So this is very common in Clojure code as a way to do default arguments or let you omit certain arguments. So here I've defined the function greet with 3 different arities. First with 0, then with 1, then with 2 arguments. And you'll see the 0 and 1 argument versions actually call the 2 argument version. So this function can call itself by providing some values for those default arguments. And then I can call it with any number of arguments, and I get different results back. Now, supposedly, ECMAScript 6 will actually have direct support for doing this in JavaScript. You can kind of fake it right now in JavaScript with the arguments array, but it's a little bit clunky. But you know, who knows when ECMAScript 6 will actually be widely enough deployed that you can use it. So with ClojureScript, we can get this right now using JavaScript that we have today. Another feature is namespaces. This